So here we have the Ford Focus ST line on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre, you can see the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 81,182. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information displayed there for various bits of individual trip computer information, or you can have these 4 pieces of information displayed simultaneously, and we are back around to the beginning again, and that was all done using the buttons just here. We have phone and stereo controls over on the right hand side, and then in the center is where you will be able to pair your phone in order.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found,
in order that you can use it. We can come back out to the home screen down here. When it comes to music, we have got AM, FM and DAB radio, CD player, USB input. We've also got Bluetooth audio and an SD memory card input as well. So plenty of ways to listen to your music. The SD memory card input at the moment is being used by the satellite navigation data. As you can see, we have a nice clear color display. It's a really easy system to use. Working our way down, we have the CD player, the main volume for the stereo as well. And then beneath that, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, the direction of the air, the temperature, of course. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set over on this right-hand side, of course. Below that, we have a USB input, some storage just there. We have a 12-volt charging socket. This button turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. And then lastly, we have a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.